In this video, we are going to discuss about few concepts related to polynomials. Now here first we will discuss about the degree of the polynomial. So let's take one polynomial which has only one variable. For example, 3x square plus 4x plus 3. Here see, we have one variable which is x. X is a variable here. And what will be the degree of this polynomial? The highest power of this variable, and here the highest power of x is 2. So we can say that this polynomial, the degree of this polynomial is 2. Similarly, if I take 5z square plus z raised to power 4 plus z raised to power 15 plus 3. So in this polynomial, the z is the variable and the maximum power of z is 15. So we can say the degree of this polynomial will be 15. So next we have a polynomial with 2 or more variables. So here I'll take 3xy plus 3x square y square and z square plus 9x z square. So and 10 z raised to power 10 and x raised to power 10. So here see how many terms this polynomial have. This have 4 terms. First term, second, third and 4. So here what will we do? We'll first find out the sum of the power of the variables in each term. So here we have 2 variables x and y and their powers are 1 and 1. We'll add these and we'll get 2. Here we have 3 variables and the powers we have to add 2 plus 2 plus 2 which is equal to 6. So similarly here we have x raised to power 1 plus 2 which is equal to 3, and here 10 plus 10 which is equal to 20. Then we'll see which one is the highest power. So here the highest power is 20. So we can say this polynomial has degree 20. The degree of this polynomial will be 20. Always remember, the power of a polynomial is always a whole number. So it cannot be negative integer, fraction or square root or cube root extra. It is always a whole number. So so for example 5x plus 7x, this is not a polynomial. This is not a polynomial, but this is an algebraic expression. Similarly, if I take 2x square minus x raised to power 7 by 2. So here this is an algebraic expression. This is not a polynomial. Similarly, if I take this minus 5x plus 8, this is also an algebraic expression but not a polynomial. The last topic which I am going to cover here is types of polynomials. We can categorize polynomials based on their number of terms and based on their degree. Type of polynomials based on their number of terms. These are monomials. Monomial means only one term. Binomials, they have 2 terms, and trinomials are those polynomials which have 3 terms. Everything about the monomial, binomial and trinomial I have discussed in lecture 1. So I have given a link in the description box. You can go there and check for this. Next we have based on their degree. The based on their degree, we have linear polynomial. Linear polynomial means they have only degree 1. For example, if I take x plus y, they have degree 1. So this is a linear polynomial. Or x plus 2, this is also a linear polynomial. Next we have quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial means the polynomial have degree 2. For example, x square plus xy plus 1, x square plus 2x plus 3. All these are quadratic polynomials because they have degree 2. This has degree 2 and this also has degree 2. Next we have cubic polynomials. Cubic polynomials are those polynomials having degree equal to 3. For example, x cube plus xy plus 3, x cube plus y cube plus 9. All these are cubic polynomial because they have degree equal to 3. Next we have constant polynomials. Constant polynomial means a polynomial having degree equal to 0. For example, 2, x raised to power 0, 24. All these are constant polynomial because they have degree equal to 0. Here there is no variable component in constant polynomials. Thank you everyone for watching this video, and in next video we will do some questions related to lecture 1 and lecture 2.